Hey, welcome back to another episode of Butte Forge. I'm Arnie. So this is the final product. Here's the job with the flowers. How it came out. So this is the back side of the gate. And as we step back, we'll take a look at the job in its totality. Here would be the entrance, obviously. A small section here. And then here will be the, try to get in here, backside here. Simple gravity latch. Okay. Well, that's pretty much this job, how it went. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. Just wanted to show the final picture, what it looks like. That's what I do with these flowers anyways. One of the many things. All right. Well, I'm Arnie. If this was fun, press like, share it with your friends. I'll see you next time at Butte Forge. Thanks for joining me. Stay cool.